a piece of scrap wood from a stair project. I'm going to put paint on it using this blue color. Completely coating the board with the blue paint. Making sure to get the sides. Here is my cute, cool Patriotic beagle that I'm going to be using for this scrap wood project that I got off the public domain. Cutting off the portion I don't need. Yes. Tearing off the edges on all 4 sides. Placing my cool Patriotic beagle on the piece of scrap wood I have painted so I can measure roughly how much of this board I want to use. Using my square to make a straight line, and there is the line. Clamping the scrap wood to the board so it doesn't move when I cut it with the circular saw. Let's cut it. Slow-mo at the end. I like to see that. Sanding time. Just sanding the edges a bit. Painting the edge I just cut. Laying down the Mod Podge. Laying it down quickly so that our cool Patriotic beagle will adhere nicely. He is cute. Piece of scrap wood using as a tool, and using this tool to just press down the print even better to make sure there are no bubbles. And then laying down another coat of Mod Podge all over the top of the print and on the sides of the piece. Now to put a picture hanger on it. Found center and made a mark, nailing on the hanger. And now for the reveal, our super cool Patriotic beagle wall art made from scrap wood, a print from public domain, and Mod Podge. He's poppin'. If you enjoyed this video, pop that subscribe button, like, and share. Thank you.